So it's Sunday night and everyone's in bed, and I've been fitting this thing. This is a reverse osmosis system, and I've just finished putting it all together and installing it. I only decided to buy it at 6 o'clock tonight. But they've changed the rules about how the water, like we used to return bottles and get spring water, which we've got one of those things over there. Usually has a 5-gallon jug in it, but they've stopped doing the deposits on the bottles. So now, and then they're charging like $6 for a bottle, which I think is unreasonable for water. Or you have to fill it up yourself, and you're paying for city water, which it absolutely tastes terrible. So anyway, being a bit of a snob there, I decided to fit that and buy that, and I got it for $150, so it was a good deal. I don't think we can use it for 2 more days. Well, it's got to run tonight. I've got to drain it down, and then it's got to run with the faucet open for 24 hours, and then it will work for the next like 6 months to a year. We've got a water filtration system that if anybody's interested in, I'm fully conversant with how that thing works, sort of. So if anybody needs help and advice on that, let me know. I have a smattering of knowledge, and what I don't know I can find out. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna keep you up to date with all the jobs that I get through each week. So I think I've isolated the problem with that reverse osmosis system. I think the house's water pressure is too low, so that's what I'm dicking around with today, and I'm almost there. For some reason the range on the water pressure was quite high, so I'm adjusting the range, and now I'm just seeing when it trips, and hopefully if it gets to 40 I'll have cracked it. But yeah, obviously if you're doing this you have to isolate the electrics, and yeah, you adjust it with these two. This adjusts the actual pressure, and this little one, this little nut adjusts the range, so the upper part of the range, so there's like where it fills to. So this should be, here we go, so it's just under 40. I'm going to switch that water off and see where it fills to. It's a bit of a pain doing this on my own. I'm stuck. I wasn't even supposed to be doing this today. Right, so we've just done that half a turn. It probably needs a full turn. I'm going to put another turn on it. I think that'll do. That was the issue. The main issue with that was the water pressure. So now we've got water. It isn't continuous though. So I've tried draining down the pressure in the tank and then topping it up to the recommended pressure. It pretty much works, but because there's essentially there's quite a few of us in the house with 6 kids and Molly and myself. I think what I need to do is get another one of these tanks. So that'll be the next thing. Second tank, so that we increase our capacity, and then that should fulfill everything that we need. So I've just got in, and I was talking to my brother about this game that I made a month ago, and yeah, it took me an hour to program this, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to do another 5-10 minutes on it, and this is what I've produced in about probably an hour and 10 minutes.
Hi guys.
Oh, no, what are you doing? Oh, I just died, Tom.
Oh, sorry Dad.
It's alright. Oh, I've died twice. Oh, I died again somehow. But that's the game.
It's really fun. It's amazing.
You sound really excited about it.
I can't wait. Are you gonna send that to the place?
I might put it on YouTube.
Oh.
Are you really excited about it?
Yeah.
Are you, Solomon? Is this what your excited looks like?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't usually look like this. Well, this is the most placid I've ever seen him. I should explain quickly. This game that I've made was I made it. I've got no programming experience. I made it with ChatGPT. Just went through different prompts and discussed how. Can't see what I'm doing. I'm playing it using the screen, and learn a little bit about programming. Did that on Python. So if you guys have got any questions about it, feel free to ask me. No experience of programming, or very, very little, and I don't really know how to read script or code, but I was able to use ChatGPT to create this. I'll probably package it up as a little like standalone game, because it's pretty much there. I could swear you guys are going to get bored of me saying the word epic. This is another one. I don't know why I thought this was going to be easy, but I've just had to pull the pressure tank out of here. And yeah, it's a big pressure tank, so I put a drip tray under it because it keeps leaking. Condensation keeps coming off it. I have a little dehumidifier up here which should dehumidify this space, but it doesn't really get a chance to work. So what I'm going to do here is create I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this tray in the meantime. At the moment I'm going to put the pressure tank back on, see how much water it collects. There's not a great deal of room for me to get my hand down there, but maybe at least if I've got something there I could maybe siphon it out, or put a little drain line on the bottom of it and plumb it in outside, and then I haven't got too many worries about it, especially if I put the heater on here, then I'm not wrecking the floor. So yeah, as you can see, sweat's dripping off me, so it's been a tough one to get this in and out. It's a very small space, and I'm going to put it back in now. Here's my camera stand at the moment. Let's hope it doesn't all fall off so I can film myself. I'll film you guys, at least you can see what I'm talking about, the pressure tank. Right, get it down, catching everything and get everything covered in water. Well, I can do some adjustment now. So the job's done, water's been restored just to get that drip tray in. Yeah, thank God for that. I'm going to turn this on and I can start thinking about getting out of here. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just riding the ATV. So it's a beautiful day here, autumn day. I don't know if you can hear me over the engine, but hope you can. I am just going along the road. I'm going to see John, and yeah, it's been another week where I've been sat in front of the computer, but I'll try and show you some of it. I've basically had a bit of a mad week. I've been resigning myself to having the thought of going offshore and leaving my family because of work, or lack of it. And yeah, we've got the excavator up and running, trying to get the road finished off. Hopefully we'll do it. We've kind of got a rough track there now. And yeah, I'm going to look at some potential blasting. Can't see the excavator moving, but the truck looks like it's out. So hopefully he's had some luck. Yeah, he has. He's pulled it out. There he is. Lucas come to have a look. Quite a busy day today. I've been installing heaters and I did the pressure tank yesterday, so that's good to make some progress there. And I've just sat here waiting for John to give me a track, because this will be the first time I drive through the loop now. We've got the excavator there, new H-link, so that's been something. I'm going to quickly go and see Carmen, who's working down the lane, to see if I can get through. But yeah, this should be exciting.